Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to programming and want to learn C language from scratch, then you are in the right place. The birth of C language. Dennis Ritchie invented C language in 1972 at Bell Laboratory, a language behind a power and simplicity. It is one of the most powerful and popular programming language in the world. Why to learn C language? C is very fast and efficient. It helps to understand how computer works internally. Many modern languages like C, Java and Python are based on C. C is widely used in opening systems, embedding systems and game development. In this C programming series, you will learn basics of C language, variables, data types, operators, conditional statements, loops, functions, arrays and pointers. So this was the basic introduction to C programming. In the next video, we will learn how to install a C compiler and write our first program. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.